Jennifer Hudson, who has powerful control on her voice, is also expert in weight loss. By controlling her diet, she able to maintain her 80-pound. She transforms her body amazingly from size 16 to 6 and maintains it over the 7 years. She was no time for workouts to lose weight, so what she can do was to control his diet. After joining the Weight Watchers, she set a good example for those who are interested in weight loss. But to overcome the eating habits was not as simple as it looks. People surprised when they see pictures of her before and after weight loss. In our today's vides, we look on food on which she focused on her weight loss. Breakfast. 1. Fruit, apple or orange juice. 2. Yogurt. 3. Eggs. Lunch. 4. Turkey sandwich. 5. Grilled chicken. 6. Salad or shrimp. 7. Broccoli stir-fry. Snacks. 8. Popcorn. 9. Chocolate, not much, only 1 square. 10. Apple. 11. Peanut butter, 1 spoon. 12. Greek yogurt. 13. Granola. 14. Low-fat tortilla chips. Dinner. 15. Sushi. 16. Shrimp stir-fry. 17. Turkey. 18. Sautéed. 20. Sautéed collard greens. 21. Tacos homemade. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.